Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video of today, I'll be showing you guys how to download Virtual DJ on your PC. So let's get started. So I will open up my Google Chrome or whatever. I'll open it up, then I'll type in Virtual DJ. Then I'm going to click on the download to download it. So you're going to see Windows or Mac. So since I'm using Windows, I'll click on download the Windows version of Virtual DJ. Then my Virtual DJ installer will automatically start downloading. It will take quite some time to download. Now that my Virtual DJ installer has finished downloading, I'll get back to my file where I was downloading it, which is my download. Then I'll double click on the Virtual DJ installer to set it up. Yeah. So yes, I'm going to accept install yes to install Virtual DJ on my PC. So it's going to take quite some time depending on the speed of your PC. So now that my Virtual DJ has finished installing, I'll launch it by clicking on the launch. Yeah, so I'll launch the Virtual DJ. Is to sign in into the account. So you can sign in with Apple ID, with Google or email. But me, I personally, I will sign in with my Google account. So I'm going to choose a particular account here. I'm going to choose an account and sign in with it. Then I get back to Virtual DJ. So Virtual DJ have officially recognized me. So close. So yeah, default layout will be like as you guys can see on the screen. So if I'll advise you that you should use the Pro. It has more features. So if you want to load a clip, you can just drag it and place it here. Then you can automatically start playing it. And if you want to add other effects like flasher, reverb, and also whatsoever, you can see place it there. Then if you want to scan through a particular file, you can search through your file directories, as you guys can see. So concerning the Virtual DJ settings, you can let's first start up here. So Virtual DJ also offers tutorials. So these are tutorials. If you are not user friendly with the software, you can watch all these tutorials to become friendly with this software. So for audio, now like this, if you have a microphone, you can connect your microphone, and when it is done, it's going to signal on the Virtual DJ app and so on. So the interface, so you can see I can see customize the interface to change it. So this is the default interface. So if I'm not satisfied with these interfaces, I can still go to click on get more. I'll scroll down through a list of interface. I'm going to scroll down, yeah, until I get my desired interface. So I'll choose this interface, then I'll install it. So it's going to install it, and I hit OK. It's going to install the interface. Okay, you can see I've installed the interface now like this. Okay, you can also see the countries in which Virtual DJ is present. You can see other features like the paths. If I'm not satisfied with the paths, I can still add and install the paths. So I will choose, for example, this other place path here. I'll install it. Okay, it has finished installing. And others, I can still choose other paths and samples. I can still add more samples to my Virtual DJ by installing it, as you guys can see. So let's go to the broadcasting part. You can see you can record audio on Virtual DJ. Like for example, if you make a mix on your Virtual DJ app, you can still record it and you save it to your PC, even video and many other features. Okay, so this is it. You can do broadcasting and so on your Virtual DJ. Okay, so there's also Virtual DJ also provides you a possibility of Virtual DJ also have many keys, such as many keys. You can make mixes with your keys and many other features. So this blue side represents the left hand side of the Virtual DJ part, and then the red part represents the right hand side. So this particular keys works for each respective side. Okay, let's go to extensions and we close it. So if I'm interested, if I want to take, for example, let me load a particular audio. Okay, so I'm going to look through my file directories. Okay, so this is my file directory. I'm interested in removing a particular audio, so what I want to do is that I'm going to take the particular song, then I'm going to load it here, place it here. Yes, I'm going to place the song and start playing the music. So if the beat and everything does not satisfy me, Virtual DJ also permits me to remove the instrumentals. I can only leave the instrumentals. Yes, I can leave the instrumentals. I can also remove the bars and so on and so forth. So let me place back everything. Then I go to Scratch. So you can add more features such as baby car. This kind of features, you can add them. You can add all of these features. So Virtual DJ also permits you a lot more of this. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching this brief introduction to the Virtual DJ app. Thanks for watching. So there's also one aspect I forgot about, is how you can load an audio, how you can load a video. So I'm going to look for any possible video I have. I place it here on the deck, then I start playing. Yeah, Virtual DJ provides a lot more facilities that we can see. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and then please don't forget